Hi everyone, V here. At nandito naman tayo for another unboxing video. So, happy Saturday again. This is another Saturday episode sa ating YouTube channel. And today, we receive a package, no? So, actually ito ay pre-order ko na matagal. Yun naman itong package na to. And finally today, dumating na siya. And syempre, dahil Saturday ngayon, let's unbox it. And let's see kung ano nga ba laman itong box na to. So yeah, let's start the unboxing. Of course, nandito yung ating trusty na knife cutter, no? And let's sabay-sabay natin tingnan, no? Para malaman natin kung ano ba laman itong package na to. And by the way, while we are unwrapping itong box, no, para to unveil kung ano ba laman ito, let me remind you first to our viewers na if you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, no, and like this video. And if you enjoy itong video, no, please like and leave a comment down below, no, and about what do you think about this episode of Saturday. So ayan, medyo ayan. Ooh, alright. Ito na yung sorter box. So ano kayang Funko Pop naman ito na ating pinre-order, no, few months back. Actually medyo plain box, nag-expect ako ng branded box kasi pinre-order natin siya actually sa Bully Boy Collectibles, no. So by the way, this is not sponsored ng Bully Boy Collectibles, no, but of course Bully Boy, if you are watching, baka naman. But anyway, just kidding. So yun, and I pre-ordered this Funko Pop sa Bully Boy Collectibles, no. Isa siya sa mga Funko retailers dito sa Philippines, no. So isa yan sa mga trusted na natin na stored, no, ng Funko Pop. So yan, unbox natin, no, kung ano naman ito. Sabay-sabay natin tingnan, no. Naku, hindi natin alam kung baligtad ba o hindi, but eto na. Yeah, baligtad ba? Baligtad, no. So ayan, baligtad. So ayan, nakatalikod, kitang-kita naman, nakatalikod pa sa yung box, no. So this one, kita naman na sa likod kung anong Funko Pop itong wow, this is good. Yan, wala nang laman. So tapan natin yan. So wow, this is the Iron Man from Marvel's Avengers Infinity War, no. Yan, no. So it comes, no, sa boss protector. So pero syempre tatanggalin natin yan. Pero wow, actually hindi ko na-expect na. So ang ganda niya in person. Ang ganda niya in person, promise. So ayan, tanggalin mo na sa boss protector. So ito, by the way, kung new collector ka lang sa Funko Pop, no, meron tayong boss protector. Again, not sponsored, pero ito, isa sa mga common na ginagamit ng mga collectors natin, and Funko collectors like me, no, to protect yung ating mga collections. So ito, boss protector. Okay. So wow, ang ganda. Actually, matagal nang nirelease tong pop na to, na by the way. Kung nirelease yung movie na Avengers Infinity War, of course, dun din yung time na nirelease tong pop. But kaya ngayon lang ako nag-pre-order nito. This is a restock, I think this is a restock, no, from the original release, no. So you know, look at that, mint condition, no, mint condition box. So ayan, 10 out of 10, minty, no. Yeah, ang ganda. So this is a restock, no, ng original release ng Iron Man from the Avengers Infinity War. So ayun, kaya makita nyo yung background, meron pa siyang background sa likod, unlike doon sa mga ibang common na release na just plain cardboard lang, no, at walang parang insert, no, doon sa loob. But of course, unbox natin to, no, para makita natin lalo at mas ma-appreciate natin yung ganda ni Iron Man. Ganda niya, no, actually hindi na talaga ako masyado nagko-collect ng mga other Marvel character or Marvel heroes, dahil nga like I said on our first episode, no, na nagfo-focus na lang ako kay Thor and Loki. no? So sila na lang talaga yung mga kino-collect ko, no? Pero meron din naman na akong Iron Man. Yung Iron Man na yun is yung I Am Iron Man scene na Philbars exclusive, no? So yan, let's unbox it. Woo! Ayan, so ayan, sinasabi ko sa inyo, may insert, no? Meron siyang insert background, no? Na Avengers logo. So yan, let's place it back. So ayan, uy, hindi siya nakakabit. So ayan, nagalat. Wow, look at that beaut. So ayan, no? So kita nyo, ayan si Iron Man, no? Bubble head siya actually, no? Kaya yan, nakita nag-wiggle yung head niya. So dito sa Infinity War, ito yung, I guess, yung scene na nandun sila sa ano, no? Parang planet ni Thanos. Sorry, hindi ko na siya masyado matanda ko anong tawag doon sa planet ni Thanos na yun. Pero ayan, no? Look at that. Ano? Yung blaster niya. Tapos look at that detail, ano? And yung thrusters niya sa paa niya, no? Para makalipad siya. Ayun, no? The detail on that. And yung vibrant nung pagka-red nung paint job, no? Yung gold, yung red, yung silver, no? Ang ganda. Kitang-kita naman yung kanyang see, parang wings niya or ayan, para makalipad siya. Look at that detail, no? Ganda. So this is a bobblehead at actually medyo mabigat siya. In comparison sa ibang mga Funko Pop. Yung head niya yung actually parang mas nagpabigat sa kanya, no? And nakakabit siya sa parang stand dahil nga lumilipad si Iron Man dito sa pose niya, no? So that's why merong stand na nakakabit sa likod. No? The gold, the red, the silver, no? Yung nanotech ni Iron Man, no? So this is again Iron Man from the Marvel's Avengers Infinity War movie, no? Yan. So actually marami pang ibang, I guess, variant pa na ni-release, no? Na Iron Man from the Infinity War, no? I think meron din na yung light up, I guess. Merong light up version nito na ni-release kung saan yung blaster ni Iron Man is umiilaw, no? So yun yung alam kong other variant pa nito, no? Pero this one, though this is a common pop, hindi siya non-stickered, not exclusive na Funko Pop, still ang ganda niya, no? Worth the wait, no? For me, though kahit matagal na itong ni-release at restock to, re-release, no? Ngayon lang ako bumili nitong Iron Man na to at ang ganda. This is my second Iron Man Funko Pop, to be honest, no? Yung first Iron Man ko is yun nga yung Philbars exclusive na I Am Iron Man na glow in the dark. And this one, ang ganda niya, promise, legit. Gusto ko yung paint job niya, ang ganda. The quality of this one is on point, no? Walang mist paint, no? Kita niyo naman, ayan, ulitin natin. Ang ganda niya. So that is Iron Man. Nice work. Ganda. So yeah, that's it for this Saturday unboxing, no? Saturday episode here on our YouTube channel. And yeah, ang ganda, no? Wala na kinarinig sa akin, di maganda dahil talagang I really appreciate yung pagkakagawa, yung build quality nitong Iron Man na to. At yeah. Pero of course, stick pa rin tayo kay Thor and kay Loki dahil nagpo-focus na nga tayo doon. And this one is just just an addition to our Marvel collection na Funko Pop. So yeah, I guess that's it for this episode of unboxing, no? And hopefully nagustuhan nyo itong ating short episode ng unboxing ng ating Saturday episode. And again, to our viewers, if you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the like button. And of course, please leave a comment down below on what do you think about this episode and kung ano ba masasabi niyo dito sa Iron Man Funko Pop na ating in-unbox in this episode, no? Today, sa ating Saturday episode. And kayo, tanongin ko kayo, ano ang favorite nyong Iron Man Funko Pop kung meron naman kayo sa collection nyo? And siguro ano yung favorite scene nyo doon sa Avengers Infinity War, no, na movie. So leave a comment down below, share it, no, sa ating comment section, and let's have a discussion. So again, this is V. See you on the next unboxing.